This is page 13 of the beginner's guitar course. We are tapping and counting with the note E. When my family went to MoZo Island, we all played this song together. All of the local children playing in the music school joined in. It was fantastic. I remember Mei-Lin, Kin and Chai Cherry wanted everyone to join in together to perform this song. Senor told me that the Cherries wanted to add some music to their rap song about walking down the street. Senor asked the other children if they would join in and help Mei-Lin, Kin and Chai rehearse their new song for a performance in the beach club.
1, 2, 3, 4. When you walk down the street, you can count with your feet. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you walk down the street, you can count with your feet. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Have you got your guitar ready? Are you ready to begin?
Yeah!
We're going to play the note E as we have before, and we're also going to add to that some tapping. Now, to do that, we are going to, with our right hand, position it